welcome to our channel, and in today's video I will walk you through on how you can apply for your new business name at DTI website. So basically, when applying for your or register your new business name at DTI website, you would need just a little of some information or details, personal information, yes, and also some of this list that I have. So some items in the list. So I listed here some recommended list or list of items when applying or registering your new business name at DTI website. So just making sure that you'll be able to get everything done in just 15 to 20 minutes, because I believe there is like a time limit for you to get everything done. So it's good if you already have everything handy, so it would just gonna be easier for you to enter everything in one go, right? Do you agree? So yeah, let's go over with the list that I have here. So first in the list, I have good and working email address. So I suggest you create a new one. Why? Because sometimes, or not just sometimes, most of the time, DTI will get contact with you or will send communications with you via email. So if you don't have a good email address, then really it would mess everything, right? You won't get any updates from them, especially during the registration, because DTI will automatically be sending you a unique verification code that you can use to download your certificate. Now, if your email address is not working, then how you can download your certificate if that's the case. So it's really important that your email address, that you'll be added on the website, the DTI, upon the registration, is really a good working one. Alright, I hope that's clear. And then number 2 is a good mobile number, a good PH mobile number, I would say, because yeah, DTI is in the Philippines. So if there are instances that they need to send out something to you or contact you, then they would be able to reach out to you also via your mobile, your registered mobile. So but this is very seldom, it's rare cases, because since 2018 maybe I got only 2 messages from them. But of course, for verification process, I believe they need this information from you. So just making sure that you have a good mobile number, PH mobile number, especially those who are outside the Philippines. Okay, so let's move on to number 3. Tax identification number is one of the requirements when registering your business name. So this can be specific for business. So if you would like your tax identification number to be just for business, then you can request that via BIR. In my case, I use just one tax identification number since I'm a full-time employee. At the same time, I have business, so I use the same. What I did is I just registered or added my business to the tax identification that is registered in BIR for my employment. So there's really no problem with that, and I will explain in detail once I create another video specifically for BIR or the 2303 form. Okay, and then let's move on to number 4, which is the GCash, PayMaya, any credit or debit card for payment. Yes, because these are the options that you might have or you would have when paying for the certificate or your business name registration certificate. So you would need this payment option. So it's really important also. And lastly, you need to prepare at least 3 business names. Yeah, because sometimes there might be like you have same name with other travel and tourist, travel and tourist businesses that had already been registered. So they would need to make sure that you got a unique one. So do create 3 business name first, or formulate names first before you logged an application via the website. Okay, so these were just some of the things that I want you to prepare first before you register your business name. So let's move on to the website. I've already opened the DTI's website here. I will just click on it. So once you once you go to the website, this is the landing page, and here you'll be presented with the steps, right? So step 1 is apply for new registration. 2, pay for it. 3, download the certificate. So as you can see, it's pretty easy. It would only maybe take you like 5 to 10 minutes, and you can get your certificate downloaded. And you can also check right here, registration fee depends on the level. So it would be 200 for barangay, city or municipality would be 500, regional 1,000, national 2,000. When it comes to which is which, really this is up to you. Myself, I've registered the national coverage. So really up to you if you would choose the barangay level, city or municipality. Really up to you. Okay, and then you would also have this is what I've mentioned earlier. So I think land bank also is one of is in the list. So yes, credit card, debit card is also listed here. And if you do have inquiries first, like you wanted to ask some information confirmation with them prior to registering your account, then you can do so by contacting these numbers available on here. Okay, so let's move on to how to register your business name. So I will just click on the X button here. Okay, so this is the landing page, and you can just simply click on this button, register now. And there is something here that you might wanna read, but this is really up to you. So we can just go down, and let me scroll it down. And if you wanted to read everything, all the details listed, up to you. I'll just simply click on I agree. So you just need to simply answer all of the questions right here. So just say no, and then Philippines, for example. I'm just showing you. Let me see. Just so middle name. And then date of birth. If you can see, there's an asterisk here. If it's clear, there's an asterisk on your first name, your middle name, and your last name. Date of birth is not really that needed, but yeah, I think it also best if you can enter whatever. It might be useful, or they might ask you in the future, so maybe you can just simply provide that information. And then I can click on proceed after filling out the owner's information. And here you'll be asked for the scope, so this really up to you. So for this example, I'll choose barangay. And then after that, you will be asked for the region. So for example, I would click on NCR, province, city of Quezon City, and then barangay. I will just click on whatever I can see. So dominant name is the name of your, for example, I am going to register a travel and tourist business. So there's an example here actually. So example, dominant name is really the name. Okay, say Libon Milangas. Okay, so yeah. And then the descriptor here is going to be let's see, travel. It would automatically be available if you will try to like type it. So there's travel and tours. Descriptor is like what your business is being can be described as, right? So it's travel and tours. So that's why I put business name descriptor is travel and tours. And so the proposed business name now would be Libon Milangas Travel and Tours. And then I can just simply click on check name availability and then validate business name. It should give me, I'm not sure, result not processed. So let me just click one more time. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it would give you a result automatically, sometimes not right away. So it looks like I passed. That name passed. Okay, so let's see. So yes, so why is that so? I've already have my travel and tours registered, because the one registered to me is different. So which is why Libon Milangas is still available name. Okay, so once I have that finalized, then I can just go ahead and click on the next button here. Your proposed business name, Libon Milangas Travel and Tours, will now be used for this transaction, and you'll be paying, yeah, that. I would stop from here because this would now route me to the information where I need to input my tax identification. And once I click yes on this part, this would now route me to like the final, and this would now create like a transaction number that would create or register the business name. So I won't do that. I'm just doing this for this video, just giving you an example, right? So just giving you like a simulation. So once you click on yes, you will get routed to another page, just part of the process though. Okay, so on the next page, you will be asked to enter this information. So for the region and municipality, we've already entered that earlier. So what you need to complete on this page is the barangay, the house building number, street address, the zip code, and area code, phone number, and your mobile number. And you just need to scroll down a little bit and you will see this another information or set of information that you need to fill in, such as your part of the personal information is the email address, the owner's tax identification number, gender, of course, first, middle name, last name had already been entered earlier. And if you can also see right here, you would have the business activity. This is based on the descriptor name of your business. So we've entered travel and tours earlier, so that's why we have travel agency activities on here and anything related to travel and tours, right? Once you successfully click on the next button, you will be provided with the reference code. I suggest you keep or you take down notes of the reference code, as you will be needing that code for the entire registration process. So please do note on that. And on to the next page. Once you click next on this page, once you click next on this page, you will now be routed to the payment options. So for example, if you wanted to use GCash, you will get a code sent to your registered mobile number. You just need to enter the set of numbers. So you will proceed with the payment process. Or if you opt to use your credit card, then this is how it looks like if your payment is successful. Now, once your payment is successful, you will get a verification code via your email address. So, which is why earlier on the video, I have emphasized that it would be really recommended to have a very good or a working email address so you will not miss that verification code, because you will be using the verification code for you to download your certificate. So that's the importance of having a good working email. Alrighty? So once you've already done and you've already processed your payment, you can now go to business name services here. So suppose, okay, let's just imagine that you've already processed everything. So you just need to go to this page and select the transaction inquiry here, and just scroll down and click on agree. And this reference code field here, you just need to enter the verification code that was sent to you by DTI after you made a successful payment. And once you click on the search button here, you will then be able to download the copy of your certificate. So that easy. So this is a sample travel and tours DTI permit. I'm sorry, I need to remove this personal information along on this document for security purposes. So yeah, I really do hope that this video will be able to help you out soon if you're planning to register your business, may it be a travel and tourist related or type of business, or whatever kind of business would that be. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate your support on our channel, and I look forward to post more useful or informative type of videos in the future. And I would appreciate also if you can um, give like a recommendation or suggested videos so everyone will be able to benefit. I would like that. And you just need to simply comment on the comment section below, and I will find time to read all of your suggested content in the future. And please don't forget to hit the like and share this video so your friends will be able to know on how easy it is to process a business name registration via DTI website. I appreciate your time so much. Thank you, and stay safe, everyone. I hope you guys have a wonderful the rest of the weekends. Bye.